Hello dear students. Today in this chapter of organic chemistry, we will study homologous series, hydrocarbons, their classification and nomenclature of organic compounds. So let's get started. Homologous series. A homologous series is a group or a family of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties in which the successive members differ by a CH2 group. That means the molecular formula of two consecutive members of a homologous series differ by the CH2 group. Hydrocarbons. Compounds that contain only elements hydrogen and carbon are called hydrocarbons. In general, the molecular formula of a hydrocarbon is CXHY, where X is the number of atoms of carbon element and Y is the number of atoms of hydrogen element. Hydrocarbons are divided into two categories, aliphatic and cyclic. Aliphatic compounds are open-chain hydrocarbons and cyclic compounds are closed-chain hydrocarbons. In cyclic compounds, carbon-carbon link form a ring structure. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into two types, saturated and unsaturated. Saturated are called alkanes and unsaturated are again divided into two parts, alkenes and alkynes. In alkanes, carbon-carbon atoms are linked with each other by a single bond. In alkenes, carbon-carbon atoms are combined with each other by double bond, and in alkynes, carbon-carbon atoms are joined by triple bond. Isomerism. The phenomena by virtue of which two or more compounds having the same molecular formula can be assigned different molecular structures is called isomerism. Isomerism is categorized into two categories, structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Compounds having same molecular formula but different structures are called structural isomerism. And stereoisomerism is compounds have same structural formula but differ in relative arrangement of atoms or groups. Again, this structural isomerism is classified into four categories: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, and metamerism. Chain isomerism, due to difference in arrangement of C atoms in the chain, is called chain isomerism. Position isomerism, compounds differ due to different positions of multiple bonds or functional group. Functional isomerism, compounds differ in the nature of functional groups. And metamerism, compounds differ in structure due to difference in the distribution of carbon atoms about the functional group. Alkenes. An alkane is a hydrocarbon that contains no multiple bonds. All the four valencies of carbon are satisfied by single bonds. That means carbon-carbon bonds are linked with each other by a single bond. General properties are: general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. A few of them show isomerism. Alkenes. Alkenes are a homologous series of unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon double bond. General formula for alkenes is CnH2n, where n equals to 2, 3, 4. When n equals to 2, the alkene is C2H4. And similarly, we can find the molecular formula for the successive members of the series. The IUPAC names are derived from parent alkanes by replacing the suffix "ane" of alkane by "ene". Alkynes. Alkynes are a homologous series of unsaturated hydrocarbons that contain carbon-carbon triple bond. General formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2, where n equals to 2, 3, 4, and so on. When n equals to 2, the alkyne is C2H2, and similarly we can find the successive members of the series. The IUPAC names are derived from parent alkane by replacing the suffix "ane" of alkane by "ine", for example, ethyne. Draw this flowchart in your copies. Nomenclature of organic compounds. The system of naming of organic compounds is called nomenclature of organic compounds. In case of aliphatic compounds, two systems of nomenclature are generally used, trivial or common system, distinguished by prefixes an, iso, and neo. The basis of naming organic compounds by the trivial system is its source, properties, Latin or Greek origin of compound. The next is IUPAC system, which consists of word root, suffix, and prefix. IUPAC names takes up only one molecular structure of the compound, assigns only one name to the compound. Classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are classified into two categories, aliphatic and cyclic. Aliphatic category contains open chain compounds and cyclic category contains closed chain compounds. First of all, we will talk about cyclic compounds. We can see in these structures that carbon-carbon bonding is forming a structure which is a closed or a ring structure. Whereas in aliphatic compounds, carbon-carbon linking forms a structure in open chain. Cyclic compounds are categorized into two categories, homocyclic and heterocyclic. In homocyclic, only carbon and hydrogen atoms are contained, whereas in heterocyclic compounds, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur atoms are also linked to form heterocyclic compounds. For example, aromatic compounds like pyridine C6H5N, and in homocyclic example is aromatic compounds benzene C6H6. In aliphatic category, hydrocarbons form open chain compounds. Hydrocarbons means compounds containing C and H means carbon. In aliphatic category, hydrocarbons form open chain compounds. Hydrocarbons means compounds containing carbon and hydrogen atoms only. They are again classified into two categories, saturated and unsaturated. In saturated category, carbon-carbon atoms are linked with each other by single bond, and in unsaturated category, carbon-carbon atoms are joined by double or triple bond. Name of saturated compound is alkanes. The homologous series of saturated compound is alkanes, and for unsaturated compounds is alkenes and alkynes. In this flow chart, we will discuss some general properties. In this flow chart, we will study some general properties of alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Number one is functional group. In alkanes, carbon-carbon atoms are linked with each other by single bond, and in alkenes, carbon-carbon atoms are joined by double bond, and in alkynes, carbon-carbon atoms are held together by triple bond. General formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where we put n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to get the molecular formula of alkanes. In alkenes, it's CnH2n, and in alkynes, CnH2n minus 2. Isomerism. Alkanes show chain isomerism. Alkenes exhibit chain position and geometrical or stereoisomerism, and alkynes show only position isomerism. According to reactivity, alkanes are less reactive, alkenes are more reactive, and alkynes are also more reactive. Means saturated hydrocarbons are less reactive, whereas unsaturated hydrocarbons are more reactive. Reactions. Saturated hydrocarbons means alkanes perform substitution reactions, and alkenes and alkynes perform addition reactions. Rules for the nomenclature of organic compounds by IUPAC system. First rule states that longest chain rule. That means we will choose a carbon chain in such a way that it is containing maximum number of carbon atoms in it. Numbering of carbon atoms. After choosing the longest chain, we will give numbers to the atoms, to the carbon atoms in the chain. It starts with N nearer to branch chain, and if there is an alkyl group in the chain, it will get the smallest number as it is given, as it is shown in the example. Functional group. If it is also present, that it will get the smallest number. For example, in this example, alcohol group means OH is in the group, so it will get the minimum number 2. Then we will give preference to methyl group. Then different functional groups as substituents arranged named alphabetically. For example, here Br and Cl, two substituents or functional group are there, so we will name them alphabetically. First of all, we will give number to Br and then to Cl. Different alkyl groups as substituents. A smaller alkyl gets minimum number. If there are two alkyl groups with different carbon numbers, then the alkyl group which is having lesser carbon number will get the minimum number. As it is shown here, methyl group gets 3 and ethyl group gets 4 number. So the name will be 4-ethyl 3-methyl pentane. Halo substituents given a smaller number with reference to alkyl groups. That means first of all we will give numbers to halo substituents, then to alkyl groups. Position and name of alkyl group is written just before parent hydrocarbon, and multiple number of same alkyl groups are written as di, tri, tetra, etc. For example, here are two chlorine groups attached on the carbon atom, so its name will be 1, 2 according to the position of group 1, 2. Two chlorine are there, so dichloroethene, because double bond is there, so it will be ethene according to two carbon atoms. 1, 2 dichloroethene. That's all for this class. We'll complete the chapter in the third part of organic chemistry. Till then, take care, study properly.